The themes available for investors in global real estate are really quite exciting, particularly once you look outside of the sphere of Australia. So some of the themes that we really like is playing to the ageing demographic. In the United States alone, 10,000 Americans are turning 65 every day. And that's going to happen every day for between now and the next 20 years. It's a really powerful demographic story. So the obvious way to play that, of course, is looking at healthcare assets. Hospitals, nursing homes, aged facilities, assisted living, unassisted living facilities. Now, those particular opportunities are not really widely available in the listed real estate space in Australia, but certainly overseas those opportunities do exist. And I want to make a big point here is that when we invest in these types of assets, we're only investing in the real estate. We're not investing in the operations. So we don't face as much of the regulatory risk that an operator of a hospital will face. We'll actually just own the hospital, which is great from a landlord's point of view because it's very hard to run a hospital without the hospital. So from a landlord's point of view, we have a very secure way of earning our income. Plus we get the upside of the demographics over a long period of time. Another big theme, of course, is e-commerce. A lot of people now buying products online. What does that mean? It means that there is a surge in demand for industrial property, for warehouse and distribution, and that's a big part of our portfolio as well. So we play to that theme. Another theme is what we call generation rent or affordable accommodation. Affordable accommodation is not just a theme here, but it's a theme globally. But it's very hard to get access to affordable accommodation in Australia. But again, if you look overseas, in places like Europe and the United States and in Canada, you can get exposure to affordable accommodation. And that's a terrific asset class because it's needed. The queues for people who want affordable accommodation are quite long, which means your occupancies are always very, very high and your cash flows are very secure. And it's a theme that is playing out everywhere around the world, but it's very hard to get access to those opportunities in Australia.